Hello everyone, my name is Aman. So I am a MTS intern at VMware. So in this demo, I'm going to solve another problem of the day at Geeks for Geeks. So let's start with the problem. So today's problem is reverse a string using stack. So let's read out the problem. So you have given a string as the task is to reverse the string using stack. And so suppose, for example, if s is a string and the output is the reverse of this, so s will be in the first place. Okay, then so in this way we have to, so let's see, the time complexity is the O of n and the space complexity is the O of n only. So length will be the 100. So they are specifically mentioning that we have to use a stack. So let's talk about specifically what just stack is. So stack is a data structure which follows a property that first in last out. So if I draw a stack like this, so it says that if any element or a value is coming first, then it will be the last element which will get popped from the stack. So stack have some functions like push, pop and top. So push means that inserting an element in the stack. Pop means eliminating the topmost element in that stack, and the top means the just retrieving the value of the topmost element in the stack. So these are the function which stack have. Pop, similarly push and top. So now let's start with our example. So suppose the example is geeks for geeks. So as you have an intuition after reading that stack property, that last in first out. So similarly we will push all the characters of the string in the stack. So like first I will push G, then E, then again E, then K, and similarly we will push all the values of this particular string. So in the end s will be at the top of the string. So then we will pop out each element and insert it in a different string, or can replace in the same string. So in that way we are going to manipulate the string and then return the function. So the language I'm going to use is C++. So here I have solved the problem so that we do not took so much of time in solving the problem. So here I have creating a stack. So this is the STL library. There is a STL library in C++ which have this functionality to create, just we have to create a variable of this data type. So stack, so they have predefined stack which consists of all the functions like pop, top and push. So first what I am doing is just running a for loop on the particular string, array of characters you can say, then pushing all the elements in the stack, and then running another loop until the stack get empty, and then storing all the elements in the new string. So you can also just use the same string. So let's remove this one. We don't have to use extra space other than the stack. So yeah, and then returning. So let's run. So I think test cases have passed. Let's submit the solution. So yeah, so in no time all the test cases have passed. So yeah, so this is I think it's a pretty easy question. So but just specifically we have to use the property of stack. So in this way stack can be used in different positions or different use cases. So whenever there is a condition or a use case in the question for the first in last out scenario, so in a similar way we use stack. So yeah, thank you.